Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. This video provides an overview of how to properly install two sets of photoelectric sensors on a LiftMaster Loigc 5 commercial door operator using the CPS3CARD. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. The procedures demonstrated should only be performed by trained professional installers and service technicians. Safe operation and servicing requires that you follow all instructions and safety advisories found in the manual. To locate a trained professional installer or service technician, go to liftmaster.com/locate a dealer. For this demonstration, we'll be installing CPSU photoelectric sensors on a commercial door with a Loigc 5 operator. Your installation may vary. Installing a second ancillary entrapment protection device requires the installation of our CPS3 card. Disconnect the power to the operator before beginning the installation. The first set of photo eyes are monitored and must be mounted to a solid surface no more than 6 inches above the floor. We've already marked the locations and drilled holes after using the mounting bracket as a template. When you assemble the mounting bracket, be sure to just finger tighten the nuts because you'll need to loosen them again to adjust the sensor alignment. Attach the mounting brackets to the solid surface using the provided hardware. Loosen the nuts and slide the mounting bracket to adjust the photoelectric sensors so that the path between the sensors is unobstructed. Finger tighten the nuts. Each CPSU sensor is only provided with 3 feet of wire. You will need to provide the wire that extends from each sensor up to the Loigc 5 operator. If you're splicing to wire colors that differ from those of the CPSU sensors, be sure to note which color you splice to the white wire and to the white-black striped wire. At the operator, locate the LMEP and common connectors on the terminal block on the logic board. Combine the solid white wires from both CPSU sensors, then fully insert them into the terminal block in the common position. Use a small screwdriver to tighten the screw that secures the wires. Now combine the white-black wires from both CPSU sensors, then fully insert them into the terminal block in the LMEP position. Tighten the screw to secure the wires. You'll need to restore power to the operator to complete the next steps. Align the photoelectric sensors by loosening the nuts and adjusting the positions of the sensors until both the receiver and emitter display solid green LEDs. For the CPSU photoelectric sensors, the sensor LEDs glow solid green when powered and aligned properly. If the sensors are misaligned or if the beam is blocked, the sensor LEDs will blink green. Test the protector system to ensure the first set of sensors is working properly. Open the door fully and place an obstruction between the photoelectric sensors. The LEDs on both sensors should begin blinking. Stand clear of the door and give a close command. The door should not move. Remove the obstruction. The sensor LEDs should revert to solid green. Give another close command. The door should now close. Before continuing to the next step, you must disconnect power to the operator again. We're ready to install the second set of sensors. The process is similar. There are several things you'll need to do to prevent interference between the two sets of photoelectric sensors. You must install the second set of sensors a minimum of 24 inches above the first set. You must also arrange the emitters and receivers so that the emitters are opposite each other and the receivers are opposite each other. If your installation has multiple adjacent doors, see the manual for additional details on how to alternate the emitters and receivers. Use a mounting bracket as a template for marking and drilling the mounting holes. Then attach the brackets to the solid surface. Identify the receiver on the first set of sensors. We need to install the second emitter above the first receiver. Use the provided wing nut to secure the emitter into the mounting bracket. Once again, you'll need to splice the wire from the photoelectric sensors to wiring you've run to the operator. Remember to note the colors of the spliced wires if they are different from the white and white-black colors of the sensor wires. Next, connect the wires to the CPS3 card before installing it in the operator. The CPS3 card has connections labeled E through J. White wires connect to pin E, and white-black wires connect to pin F. Once again, twist together the white wires from the second set of sensors. Do the same for the white-black wires from the second set of sensors. If you splice to different wire colors, do this for the corresponding wire colors. Insert the white-black wires into the connector for pin F and secure by tightening the screw. Insert the white wires into the connector for pin E and secure by tightening the screw. Insert the CPS3 card into either slot on the operator's board. Use whichever slot is more convenient. Restore power to the operator. Align the photoelectric sensors until a solid green LED is achieved on both the sending and receiving sensor. Test the protector system to ensure the second set is working properly. Open the door fully and obstruct the sensors. Both LEDs should begin blinking and the door should not close when given a close command. Remove the obstruction, and the sensor LEDs should revert to solid green LEDs. The door should now close. You'll need to perform the protector test again on the first set of eyes you installed. This is to confirm that they are still functioning properly. Your installation is complete. Be a champion of safety. Learn more about LiftMaster commercial door operators and entrapment protection products when you visit us on the web at liftmaster.com.